Who are you going to the beach with?
My uncle and my mommy.
Your uncle and your mommy?
And nobody else, not Seppi.
Are you excited? So she well dressed up, you know. Turn around, let me see her here. She well dressed up and she go put on her swimsuit. Alright, my love, go on and wait for me. Bye.
And when that finishes, I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, I'm making chocolate tea. Welcome back to the channel. I'm eating. It's an egg sandwich with plantain and frankfurter. But I'm eating and I'm rushing because we are going on the road with one of my brothers. They're on their way and it's almost 12. And I'm not ready because I've been doing stuff. So I'm rushing to eat. And I'm a little bit gassy because I was gassy last night. It was the worst pain. Gas and pregnancy, don't agree. But there's a huge surprise for Robin because, let me close the door. My sister is coming as well, that's Shakira, along with her cousin JJ, and she doesn't know that, so she's going to be surprised when they get here. See, she calling me here too. Hi, Auntie. Hi. So Robin is here with her cousin. She never knows that the cousin is coming, so she's excited. We're going to the beach. All it says my brother was coming and his friend. So why is it say I look good for the camera? Move on, Gary. Say hey, JJ. Are you excited? Are you excited to see Robin?
Talk to the camera, Jerry.
Huh?
Are you excited?
Are you excited to see Robin?
Come
Oh,
I'm going to the beach.
you're going to the
with
beach
Robin.
with Robin.
Close pockets.
Okay. Were you surprised? Were you surprised to see you, JJ?
Yeah.
When JJ come here, see Robin, he's like, Robin! So they're excited. For go beach, brother, but me off already. Let me brush them out. Me brush them drop right out. Guys, I'm not going to tell me it's a chicken behind me. Like, I'm not going to tell me it's a chicken bucket. I fix it, and I only see something red and white. I said, what chicken? Me love my belly, me carry my belly, me not left it. So me have a look to see. I may push my hand down in there. Over chicken.
I feel it. I feel it, so I think everybody.
Mighty, oh, up here spicy. I think it's gonna be hot, Robin. You want to taste it?
You sure? Spicy. Oh, wow, yes, actually. That's what they did. That's why nobody could get the spicy. They were all at the bottom. All at the bare bottom, that's right.
Not bad. Bad fish. Fish skin that.
You get the chicken, turn the chicken.
You know what I think? It's not hot.
You're not at teeth,
No,
the meat part.
I just don't want.
Okay.
You're just starstruck. You're excited? You're too excited?
No.
What?
Well, you got to bite for you know you're not. You take bite for auntie?
Mm-hmm.
You not eat something there. You were you turn around to me. Take some of this. I could have put it in the water. Take this.
Maybe that's why Robin don't want it because she's afraid.
No, I'm afraid.
But it's not that spicy. Maybe when it's hotter.
I'm not afraid.
We eat enough of them palate.
I'm not afraid, Mommy.
I'm afraid. You just don't want.
Sweet me? No. Mighty God.
Hey. Jari, say proper.
No, on tripod.
Oh, the one fit. I'm not sure.
Mommy, look what JJ has. Look, Mommy. Mommy, look. Look.
I'm used feeling the other.
But you buy one now, watch it. Robin breaking.
I never carry, but you give me all phone. The iPhone lane, but I never know iPhone.
What do you mean you never, like iPhone, you try to get into it?
You know, Erica, he cracked the back, that's why I say him buy one new phone. But he give me the old one, I did have iPhone 11. Nikki said, Miss, iPhone 11, you're gonna wait up.
iPhone 12 me there, so you're right behind me. What do you mean? You try to put on a case for him.
He said, outside there, they know kind of give me.
So it's screen now work. It's screen alright.
Screen now work, man. I back the crack. Then I show it when I go up.
Oh, you have it?
No, the upper yard.
Oh.
See me, yeah.
Man, buy your quint and sign in your good. I know if you use iPhone. Me, I know if you use it. That mommy did love it now when time I buy a new phone.
The child is good.
Yeah, when I buy a new phone, she just glad to hear me say I go buy a new phone.
She said me make sure I my phone about this. If I buy a phone before somebody go tell us I give them my old one where I did that.
Watch me, I eat 2 pieces of chicken. I can mind.
I can't move. Remind me of your mama.
Let me buy chicken. Oh, me remember some have chicken and just start eat. Watch them. So they're walking like a couple. I hope when they grow up, that's how they will have somebody to hold on to their hand. Like that. Two little chickenees. You come to pee when you're racing the water.
Tell me, Mama. To turn this off now.
Okay.
Can I just dry my hand now?
Cold?
I'm hot. I'm big. You can just dry it down like this.
Okay.
We finished now.
There you go.
Thank you.
No, watch her rub it and go down. She remember so she can't hold breath.
Walk backwards in it. It's okay. Walk backwards in it.
Yeah.
Walk backwards in it.
Jay, why you walking like you pee up yourself or do? Or old man when old man back mash up. Miss thing cold and done. Then think they can't done water and wash it.
Sit still up there.
Wash it. They think they can finish the water. Come Ramsey. Watch her. Mash up. You going in it, baby? Come. What happened to your face? Huh? Say hi. I'm vlogging. Watch ya. Jesus Christ. Wash off me too. Climb up. Ay, laugh. Watch them. Come.
I don't know what
So we're at, I think this is a Ocheria's Jerk Center. So we're out for lunch. Look at that. Look at me. Place at. Wow. I feel good. And this is for the kids. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You could get one of these. One of these.
This is a sweet and heartbreaking moment for me. This is how JJ and Robin behaves. Every time they're supposed to be separated, they're always in tears as if they're going through a heartbreak. I wish I had someone that loved me this much and be this sad and shedding tears in front of me every time I go outside of their presence. I love them so much. They're best of friends. I pray they remain this way.